One of the things that I like to do in order to prep for a new season is check on my smoke alarms. You should do this semi-annually, so twice a year, just to make sure that everything is in working order. If you have a battery-powered smoke detector, what you're gonna do is actually take the face off and replace your batteries at least twice a year to make sure that everything's working. Often they'll indicate when they're running low on a battery, they'll let go like a little chirp. It's still kind of loud, kind of annoying. Sometimes it's a little bit more continuous, but that means it needs to be addressed. You need to check your battery. Hot tip, sometimes when you go to change your battery in your smoke detector is still chirping. So here's how we're gonna stop that. When you remove your batteries, press and hold the test button. That's gonna discharge any residual charge that the detector is still holding on to. Put your new batteries back in, put your face cover back on, and then you're gonna push that test button and make sure everything is up and running.